What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Zach bringing us another trade recap. It is currently June 20th. We took one trade today. It was a break-even trade. Very unfortunate break-even. Eventually ran for 100 points, so very unfortunate trade, but it is what it is. I can't control the outcome. I did go break-even a little too fast, and that is something that we learned today and we journaled about today. So that's been my struggle with trading, I feel like, is managing positions correctly, knowing when to go break even, knowing when to take profit. It's not necessarily my entries, but it's managing after I enter. I've been getting stopped at a break even a lot recently. But let's get into the trade recap. Hopefully this is the last trade recap I film on this MacBook, and hopefully the quality will be better soon. But let's get into this trade recap. First off, we were sweeping these highs. I really wanted to, it was weird because we did not come to these highs. So I did not find an entry off here because I did expect us to keep going up. But once we got the break below here, that gave me enough confirmation that we were going to come all the way down to these lows and then eventually fill this whole 15-minute fair value gap. And that is exactly what we ended up doing. So I did call these that we were going to short. I called this in the Discord I was in, that we were eventually going to take out all this low resistance. But I expected us to take this high, maybe this high first, but we did not come to this high. So I did not enter. I couldn't find an entry anywhere in here. There was no entry. So I just kept being patient, and I eventually found a nice entry. Right here, we tapped into this 3-minute fair value gap. We got a 1-minute time frame. Also a turtle soup right here. High, low, higher high. Bearish market structure. Turtle soup right here. That was my entry. I went break even as soon as we got a close below this low, as soon as we got a change of state. And that's where I went wrong. My break even point should have been as soon as we got a close below this wick. So as soon as we got this close, then I should have been break even and it would have ran to full TP. And very unfortunate. Just bad break even spot, I guess. I tried switching it up to manage it a little more and see if going at the change of state would be a good spot, but clearly I'm just going to have to wait for a close below the wick and then make the move that I entered off of. So this could have been TP1 also, but very unfortunate, man. But it is what it is. Can't control it. But we are, let's see what the accounts are at actually. Okay, so these accounts are at 50,024, basically break even, and then this account, if things want to load, I guess things don't want to load, but the other account, I did get denied on my payout. Let me show you guys. I did get denied on that payout, and I told you guys I'll probably get denied because on Monday I did go on tilt, and I sort of expected to get denied, so unfortunate denial. But I will just have to trade 8 more days and use proper risk management, and they should approve. So I'm going to be copy trading all 3 of these accounts together now. This one is at 52.6, so they don't take the profit, so I just need to make whatever in 8 days and request, and hopefully they'll pay me out next time. But pretty mad about this trade. Honestly, I really wanted to go on tilt. I wanted to punch a hole in the damn wall after this. Emotions really got to me after, but I just shut down the laptop, went to the gym, and journaled later in the day, and tough loss. Got me very emotional. But it is what it is. We are still locked in. Yeah, so that's going to be it for this trade recap. Really, it was a good trade, but once again, just very unfortunate break-even spot. All this low resistance. Knew we were coming for all of this. I literally called it from the top, but we never came to this buy-side liquidity, which was very weird, and we did not put an SMT in anywhere at these highs, so I was very confused with this. So once I saw that, I wanted to continue up, so rough Friday, but gotta get back after it on Monday. Hopefully tomorrow I am going to try to record a vlog, so hopefully I do post a vlog. I have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. As you guys saw in my last video, I did move out, so I'm still in the process of setting up everything. my computer setup and everything. So hopefully this is the last recap on this MacBook because quality is not the best. I cannot lie. Quality is pretty bad on this MacBook. I like trading on it, but it's bad for quality, for content. But anyways, make sure you guys join the Discord and the community. Also, I got an Apex code, so if you guys want to use my Apex code Zach for 80% off all accounts. $50,000 accounts are only $32. Then you have to activate them. That's $140. But if you guys want to trade with me, join the Discord. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And peace out, y'all.